Hi guys, we're making a budbud. Cassava budbud. I don't know what is budbud, the English of budbud. But this is cassava, and we're making on that. This is it. Yeah, this is my ayan. Wait lang. So ganito yung guys. Ganito yung paggawa ng budbud.
Budbud ng Pinas.
Budbud, kamuting kahoy. Ayan, ganyan lang. Tapos, ganyan-ganyanin nilang to, oh. Ganyan, oh, diba? Yan ang budbud. Ang haba. Pero, ano siya? Long. Medium. Ay, not medium. Large. Long and large. Ayan, this is ganito lang yung we know this. And after that, after ganyan just mold the cassava into a long wonderful long wonderful long. So this is it, like that. Just roll the banana leaves here, just like that only. O, diba? Massage. You need to massage and tuplok here. And fold that and just like that. O, diba? O, make sure that it's tighten and strong and long.
Strong and long.
This is the large budbud or medium. I don't know what. Extra large daw to, guys. Oh, look at this, and I will lock this with another. I will hikot this one. I will tie the end so that it will not bukad-bukad.
Bukad-bukad. Bilangkad.
Iyo, opil sa koan. Kamera kuman ka lang. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so, ganito lang guys. Oh, sorry. I need more. Oh, bati. Ano ba? Dapat to. Tubig. Ganyan lang. O, diba?
Ganyan lang.
Pwede na kaming dito. Magbenta. Ganyan lang. Ganyan. O, diba? Ito yung mga ready, ito, diba? Small, medium, large, extra large. Oh, look at this. Small, medium, large, extra large. O, diba? So, ayan. See you later. Ayan, there's another. Make another more. Ayan, guys. Ang nito is, lang, cassava. Tapos, ginidnid. Tapos, sugar and coconut. Oh, yala. Extra large naman ito mo. I make another. I want small, medium, extra. I already have small, medium, large, and extra large. So, I need a regular size. Ay, di lang. I want extra large. Oh, see, this is like that only, guys. When you make it just like that, and you use to push. Yan lang. We use brown sugar. Mas masarap pag tawag nito. Ayan, guys. So, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo kanina kung paano namin kinuha yung cassava galing sa sa baul, sa farm. So, ayan, guys. Then, si Mudra yung nag-need nito, guys. Tsaka ayan. So, ganito lang yung paggawa, guys. Alam niyo, tuk-tuk na yun. Tapos, chak dito sa para ano talaga ba? O, diba? Ganito lang, o, diba? Hugot na siya. Strong and long. That's it only. And then, ilalak lang natin by tying up this. And, yeah. I'm trying hard to speak English because I have only English viewers. But, it's okay. Can understand Bisaya, Tagalog, English, Taglish. So, thank you so much. That's it only. Make sure guys na yung ano ng dulo ng dahon is sa ibabaw, hindi siya sa ilalim kasi pag nasa ilalim siya guys, papasok yung tawag nito, papasok yung tubig o water. Anan. Tinuruan ng ako ng ano ko guys. So, ayan guys. See you on my next video. And this is it. We're making kasaba and we're eating later. Bye-bye! So, ayan guys. Ito yung nagawa namin. So, ayan guys. Ito yung nagawa namin guys. Ay! Ayan. Ayan. Marami. Oops. Yan, ready to cook na. Ready to cook na. We boil this for, I think, 4 hours. I don't know. So, ayan na guys. Ayan. So, many. O, diba? Oh. Ito na yung guys, yung namin, naluluto ba yun, diba? Ito na yun. Luto na siya guys. Ayan, wait lang. Atong i-open. So, ito yan guys. Charot.